Self-introduction. Hello. Hi. My name is... My name is Tom. My name is Thomas. My name is Thomas Anderson. My name is Thomas Adam Anderson. I am Thomas. I am Thomas Anderson. I am Thomas Adam Anderson. I'm Thomas. I'm Thomas Anderson. I'm Thomas Adam Anderson. You may call me Thomas. You may call me Tom. Please call me. Please call me Thomas. Please call me Tom. My full name is Thomas Adam Anderson. My first name is Thomas. My middle name is Adam. I have no middle name. I do not have a middle name. I don't have a middle name. My last name is Anderson. It is nice to meet you. It's nice to meet you. Nice to meet you.